Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you the official and 100% safe way to download and install IDM latest version. No fake sites, no risk, directly from the internetdownloadmanager.com website. And if you want more safe software tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and search for IDM download. Click on the latest free trial version of IDM, or go directly to internetdownloadmanager.com website. I've also added the link in the description. Step 2. Once the website loaded, just click on Download Internet Download Manager. There is nothing more steps to choose. As you can see, I already downloaded and installed IDM, so here you will see the download result. Step 3. Once IDM downloaded, just open it and start installation. Just next and wait for the installation to be done. So now I will show you that how to download anything with IDM. So if you want automatically everything that download from any website, you need IDM extension whatever you use any browser.